In this video, I am going to show you how to use Chai AI on Google Chrome. So first of all, we'll have to go and open Google Chrome website for you and make sure then to go and visit the chats or Chai AI websites. Just in the URL section, type Chai AI and you'll find yourself here. Click on the first link and you should find yourself there. So if you have an account, you'll have to click on login at the top right. And if you don't, just click on sign in with Google. Even if you don't have an account, as example, they will create an account for you very easily with no problems. So let me just go here, enter my passkey code, and I should be logged in with no problems. Even if I don't have an account, I clicked on sign in with Google. Now I'm logged in or I created an account. So here you can start answering, example, some of the questions that you want, up to you. And of course, you can start your free trial if you want, but if you want to skip it for now, you can click on skip it. So once you do it, you'll find yourself here in Chai AI. Now, basically, you can browse through the AI characters. You can view features characters, search for specific characters, do whatever you want here. Explore like different categories, open a character's profile before starting a conversation, seen everything that you want, and you can start basically the conversations. Select the character that you want to talk to, example this one, and type the message into the chat box and enter and hit enter example. So hi, how are you example doing? As simple as that, and hits the enter button or this button right here. So you can send the message and the AI will generate a reply and you can continue the conversation just like any normal chat, as you can see. So as you continue chatting, you can ask questions, role play with characters, continue previous conversations, start a new conversations whenever you like. Different characters may respond differently based on how they were created. And yeah, that's basically how you use Chai AI on Chrome. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.